Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if the touchscreen isn't responding on your Redmi 17. So in such case, we can start with the forced restart of the smartphone. So since it's only the touchscreen that is not responding, we can press power button and volume up key at the same time, and then hold down the power button and keep holding it for 11 seconds until the screen of our device goes off. Then release the button and wait for your device to restart. After the restart, check your touchscreen once again, and if it's still not working, then the only software solution that we can use in this case is the factory reset operation. If you want to perform factory reset operation and erase all data from your smartphone, let's repeat the first part by pressing power button and volume up key, then holding down the power button until the screen goes off. And once the screen goes off, you're gonna have to press and hold the volume up key until your device vibrates. Once your device vibrates, do not release the volume up key, but release the power button and keep holding down the volume up key. This will lead you to this menu. Here you can navigate using up and down arrow keys, up and down volume keys, I'm sorry. And you're gonna have to navigate to wipe data and press power button to select. On the following page, you're gonna have to navigate down to wipe all data and press power button to select. And lastly, on the third page, navigate to confirm, press power button. This will perform factory reset operation on your device. And then you'll get redirected to this menu where you're gonna have to select reboot to system, and wait until the factory reset operation is performed. Now, after the factory reset operation is performed, the touchscreen should start working again. But if it didn't, then you definitely need to reach out to Redmi customer support service, because this is absolutely 100% a hardware issue, and you should get your device repaired. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.